Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study chapter number 1, Roman numerals, practice set number 1 we are going to complete in today's video. So in this video we are going to learn about Roman numbers. Now what are Roman numbers? These signs when we write instead of numbers, like 1 is been denoted in this sign, 2 is been denoted in this sign. When we denote numbers with Roman signs, that means it is known as Roman numerals. Now let's study few examples so that it will be more clear. Now rule 1 is, if either of the symbol 1 or x is written consecutively 2 or 3 times, the sum total is number they make. Means what? When we write 1, this is 1 and this is 10. Okay, so in Roman numeral this is 1 and this is 10, and when we keep on adding, like double 1 we add, so 1 plus 1 is going to be 2. Double x we write, then it is going to be 10 plus 10 is going to be 20. Triple 1 we are going to write, we can write in the form of 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So this is the first rule. When we write the same alphabet twice or thrice, the value keeps on adding. Okay, we have to add it. This is the first rule. Second rule is, the symbol I or X can be repeatedly consecutively for a maximum of 3 times. Matlab it can be written for a maximum of 3 times. The numeral 5, the numeral V means this is V, okay, and we write it as 5, is never repeated consecutively. Matlab this can be written 3 times, but this is never repeated. Okay, this is the second rule. Third rule is, when either I or V is written on the right of the symbol of a bigger number, its value is added to the value of the bigger number. Matlab V and I is added to the right hand side. This is the right hand side, this is the left hand side. Means when I is added to the right hand side, it increases the value. Okay, see over here, V plus I is equal to, V means 5, I means 1. So 5 plus 1 is going to be 6. V and double I. So 5 plus 2 is going to be 7. Means when we add I to the right hand side of V, it is going to add its value. Got it? So these are the few examples from the textbook. You all can revise it. These are the few examples. This is for V. I will explain for X also, so that it is clear to everyone. X and I. X means 10, I means 1, so it will be 11. X and double I. So X plus 2, 10 plus 2 is going to be 12. X plus triple I. So X plus 3 is going to be 13. Same in this way, X and V. So X means 10, V means 5. So it is going to be 15. X plus 5 plus 1. So V means 5. Okay, so X, V, I. X means 10, V means 5, I means 1. So 10 plus 5 plus 1 is going to be 16. And double X is going to be 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So this is the third rule. You all have to remember all these rules in order to write the Roman numerals. It is very easy. When I is added to the left hand side, now over here we studied to the right hand side, it is going to add the value. When we write I to the left hand side of V, it is going to be minus. Okay, it is that simple. Right hand side plus left hand side minus. So I and V means 5 minus 1. Now over here you are not supposed to write 1 first and then 5. It will, the number will come negative. Okay, suppose you write 1 minus 5. So it will be minus 4. So we don't need the answer in negative. We need positive answer. Therefore bigger number first and then the smaller one. I and X. X means 10. I means 1. And then you all have to separate. Only thing you all have to remember, right hand side. Matlab we have to add. Left hand side, when the I is written or X is written, we have to subtract. Okay. So these are the few examples. Even over here they have given. How are you going to write 12? 12 means first you all have to break it in such a way that you will be able to write the Roman number. So 12 means 10 plus 1 or you all can write 10 plus 2. So 10 means X and 2 means double I. 7 is equal to 5 plus 1 plus 1. So 5 means V and double I you all have to write for 1. 18 also 10 plus 5 plus 3. So according to the signs you all have to break the number in this way. Okay, 18 means 10 plus 5 plus 3. 10 ka sign we are having X, 5 we are having as V and 3 triple I. Got it? Now let's solve the exercise so that it will be more clear. So problem set 1, write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numbers. So first we will write all the numbers. I have created a short for 1 to 10. Others you all can write it. I'll show you how. So in this way, first write all the numbers 1 to 20 we need, isn't it? So accordingly you all have to write it. First we will write till 15 because I need to show you how we have to write. 1 is denoted by I, 2 with double I, 3 with triple I. 4 means to the left hand side I and then V. 5 means V. 6 means V and to the right hand side. Okay, as I said, to the right hand side it will add the value, to the left hand side it will reduce the value of V. 7, 1V, double I, V, triple. And for X also I first and then X because we have to subtract 10 minus 1 and 10 in this way. So first you all have to understand the value of all the numbers. What is the value? And then it becomes very easy for you all to write the bigger ones. Like 11, how are you going to write 11? 11 will be 10 plus 1. Okay, so 10 means X, 1 means I. So this is your 11. 12 means 10 plus 2. So 10 means X and 2 means double. Got it? 13 means 10 plus 3 means X and triple I. 14 means 10 plus 4. Now 4 is in this way. Okay, so remember X and 1 over here I and then V. 15 means 10 plus 5. So X and V. Okay, so in the starting you all have to write it in this way and then it becomes very easy for you all to write. 16, 17, 18, 19 and then 20. Okay, so 16 again, 10 plus 5 plus 1. So 10 means X, 5 means V, I means this. Alright, or 6 you all can write it in this way also. 5 plus 1 means 6 or you all can break it in this way. 10 plus 5 plus 2. 10 means X, 5 means V and 2 means double I. Got it? 18. So 10 plus 5 plus 3. So 10 means X, 5 means this and 3 means 1, 2 and 3. Alright. 19, 10 plus 5 plus 4. So 10 means X, 5 means this and 4 means this. You all have to write it. Okay, so I think I have done this wrong. I will write it again. We can change it into 10 minus, we can do it. Okay, we can write it in the form of minus also. We need not write it in plus. So 10 minus 10 plus 10 minus 1. So 10 means X and 10 minus 1 means 9. So in this way you all have to write 19. Okay, you all can write it in the plus form also, but minus it will be in this way only. This is the correct form of writing. Plus also you all can write it, but this is the correct and the easiest way to remember. And 20 means 10 plus 10 means X into X. Got it? So it is very easy to write all the numerals when you break it into the smaller form. Now let's form the second question. Second question is write the following numbers using international numbers. So numbers are being given. You all have to write it in the international numbers, means are simple numbers. This is 5. This is 7. The third one is x. X means 10. Fourth one is x and triple 3. So x means 10 and 3. So this is going to be 13. Okay, so this way you all have to read it. Fifth one is 10 and 4. So 10 plus 4, it will be 14. Sixth one is 10 and 6. So 10 plus 6 is going to be 16. Seventh one is 10 and triple I. So 10 means, 5 means, 3 means. So this will be 10 plus 5 plus 3, 18. And the eighth one is 9. Okay, so this we can directly read it, no need to break it. So 9. I think it is easy for you all to understand how you all have to write the bigger Roman numbers into the numeral. This way you all have to write. If you all can read it and then write it, then skip this step. No need to write it. But when you are learning it and understanding the concept of Roman numbers, try to break the numbers. Now the third one is fill in the blanks. Numbers have been given to you all. You all have to write the Roman numbers. Okay, so I'll write it in short form. 3 means 1, 2, 3. Next, this has been given. 5 plus 3 means 8. 6 is been written. So 6 you all have to write 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is going to be 6. Next is x and 2i. So this is going to be 12. X means 10, 1 and 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now next is 15. So 15, how are you going to write? 10 plus 5. Then comes x and 9. So 10 plus 9, 19. So when you are going to practice it, then only you will be able to understand it, solve it, and then let me know in the comment section if you all are finding anything difficult, so that it becomes easy for me to correct your queries and make a separate short video on your queries. So next is write the numbers using the Roman numerals. So 9 has been given. 9 means 10 minus 1. So 10 means x. Okay, and as I said, minus matlab left hand side pe you have to write it. Next is 2. So 1 plus 1, I and I. Okay, the third one is 17. So 10 plus 5 plus 2. So 10 means x, 5 means this, and 2. Okay, learn to break the numbers, children. 4 means 5 minus 1. So first we have to write 5, and minus 1 means you all have to place your I over here. Next is 11. That is 10 plus 1. 10 means x and I means 18 means 10 plus 5 plus 3. So 10 means x, 5 in this way, and 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so in this form you all have to complete your fourth question. Now the fifth question is in the form of, I'll show you in the textbook itself. It's in the form of right or wrong. Now this is very easy. This you all can do it on your own. I'm going to explain you in the textbook itself. Now these are international numbers, Roman numbers. They have given both the sequences, answers and question. Everything has been given. We have to only say whether it is right or wrong. So 4. So obviously 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't write 4 in this way. How we write 4? V and 1 at the left hand side. Okay. 6. It is correct. V and I to the right hand side. So it is correct. 8. See, the 8 is on x and minus they have shown. So we don't write it in this way. 8 is having V and triple I. So this is wrong. 16, 10 plus 6. So this is right. And 15 means V plus V plus V. So we don't write 15 is in this way, isn't it? I have showed you in the first question only how do we write 15. 10 plus 5, that means X and V, and over here they have said V plus V plus V. So we don't write 15 in this way, so it is wrong. So this you all have to do it in the form of activity. I hope this is clear to everyone. There are more numerals that you all have to understand. So this can be asked in the form of fill in the blanks. You all have to understand what is the letter I denotes, C denotes, like I means 1, V means 5, X means 10. So यहाँ तक तो we know what are the alphabets and what are the numbers. But when we write L, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. So this Roman numerals alphabets you all have to remember along with the numbers, and this will be asked in the form of fill in the blanks. C means what? D means what? So revise this, remember this alphabets and Roman numbers and the numbers related to this. This is a activity which can be asked in the question paper as in the form of fill in the blank. I hope this exercise is clear to everyone. Children, if you all are finding anything difficult, do let me know in the comment section so that I can make a separate video on the only question which you all are finding difficult. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.